using Cupid's Kitchen from Raddish. It came with 3 recipes. I'm going to try the muffins. Let's check out the recipe. Gather the ingredients and tools. Preheat the oven to 375. First, put in the cupcake liners. Add flour and baking soda to medium bowl. 1 cup. 2 cups. And 1/2. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh, it looks cute. All done. Let's see what's next. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk it all together. 1 whole egg. Now let's whisk up the eggs. Add the oil and yogurt. Let's add the sugar. Step 9. Add the dry to the wet. Ask for help if you need it. My mom helped me. Mix it all up. Now time for the chocolate chips. Raspberries next. Stir it up and overmix. The mix is all done. Now let's fill up the muffin tin. They're ready for the oven. Bake them for 24 minutes. The cupcakes are ready. Yum! They look so delicious. Let me taste one. It tastes yummy. Bye, Lailah's Warners. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.